In this video, I will show you what is new in Neets Project Designer 1.3. I will show you how to create and add a level slider, how to style the progress indicators, and how the Neets switching relay 8 has been integrated into Project Designer. Now you have the possibility to add level sliders in Project Designer. It is done in a few easy steps. Click on the level slider icon in the ribbon, and you will get the Add Slider dialog. Then click to add your background, foreground and thumb. Then choose if it is a level or balance slider. And then test it, to see if it works as you want it to. If you like, then you can save the slider as a template. Just add tags and a theme to save it. When you select a level slider in Interface Designer, then you get the sliders settings to the left. Here you get a few extra settings, like the possibility to use the slider as an indication bar only. You can also get the level to jump to the location where you tap the slider. And you can again choose if it is a level or balance slider. You can also replace or export the graphical elements of the slider. Level sliders can also be resized and rotated. It is now possible to style the progress indication. First click on the progress indication styling in the ribbon, and you will get this window. Here you can style the progress indicator to fit your design. There is 3 different shapes to choose from. Each can be styled differently, and you can see the result in the example. Next you have the option to show the progress indicator on all buttons that are busy, or only on the button you pressed. If you then press another button that is busy, then it will be indicated. If you have a progress style that you like, then you can save it as default. And this style will be used for all new projects that you create. Neets Switching Relay 8 has now been fully integrated into Project Designer. You can connect up to 8 units. And it does not use up any of the 10 available network ports. When you have added the Switching Relay 8, then you drag and drop devices to its ports. Let me show you how it works in Project Designer. Here I have opened Project Designer, and I will drag in the Switching Relay 8. It will ask me for the serial number of the switching relay I want to control. I can enter it manually, or select from the list of available switching relays that is on the network. Here you can see that it has been added to the delta. And now I can drag devices to its ports. Here I have added 3 I/O inputs. I can continue to drag in as many devices as I need. I now have added an infrared device, a screen control, and an I/O output control, that I have named light. If the diagram gets too crowded, then you can click here to collapse the switching relay. And it will collapse like this. And show you how many devices is attached. Now we can go to Assign Functions. Here you can see the device that was added to the switching relay. And you can drag in sequences to your buttons as normal. You also have control of the outputs on the switching relay. You can select the relay or I/O from the switching relay in the drop-down menu. Screen control works the same way. You can select the screen from the switching relay here. That is how you can control the devices connected to the switching relay. Next we can have a look at feedback. Here you have access to feedback from devices that has been connected on the switching relay. In this example we have feedback on the 3 I/O inputs. By dragging in the I/O input, we can set it up to do an action when the I/O input changes. In this example we will press a button, The full integration of Neets Switching Relay 8 into Project Designer makes it that easy to control the relay and all the devices that has been connected to the relay. When you upload a project that use a switching relay, then 5 lights will blink on the delta until it has connected to the switching relay. Just wait a minute and it will disappear. If you see 6 lights blinking, then you need to firmware update your switching relays with the latest firmware. There are many other changes and bug fixes that has been included in Neets Project Designer 1.3. So see the full release notes for further details. Thank you for watching. Find more information on neets.dk.